Very good morning to all of you. Myself Santosh Yadav and I welcome to all of you in physics lecture of class 12 topic compound microscope. We have already seen the ray diagram of compound microscope. There are two lenses, objective and eye lens, which are kept on tube, which can be adjusted according to the situation, and the tube is called tube length of the compound microscope. By compound microscope, a very tiny object is seen which is not visible by naked eye. So first of all, objective is small because object is small and less light required to make clear image. We have already discussed in previous lecture. Okay. This is the objective lens. This is the object AB having distance u0. One ray coming from head of the object which is parallel to principal axis and go through focus of the lens, and one ray is coming from the head and going through optical center without deviation, where both the rays meet and object is formed, that is A dash B dash. This is the object formed by objective lens. So position of this is the image formed by objective lens. So this is the position of image from objective lens, that is called V0. V0 is the position of image of objective and A dash B dash is the image of objective. And this image serves an object for eye lens. So this is the object of eye lens. So same thing, a ray coming from B dash go through focus of the lens, go through focus of the lens, and a ray go through optical center, goes without deviation. These rays never meet on the principal axis, so we trace these rays backward direction, where form final image, that is A double dash and B double dash. This is virtual image, erect image and magnified image. So this is ray diagram of compound microscope. Note it down. As we have earlier discussed in previous lecture, about simple microscope, magnifying power. Magnifying power is also known as angular magnification, that is M equal to beta upon alpha. What is beta here? Beta is the angle subtained by the image on eye lens or eye. This condition is called added eye condition. That is, optical instrument is used and alpha is the angle subtained by the object on eye at same location of image without adding optical instrument. So this condition of lens is called unadded eye. So beta equal to angle subtained by image, alpha is the angle subtained by object, but both are kept at same place. Very important. In simple microscope we have discussed about it more. So I think you understand all the things. So Now in diagram, in A triangle, in A dash B dash E, A dash B dash E, tan beta is equal to A double dash B double dash A double dash B double dash upon A dash E. And similarly, you can say tan beta equal to A dash B dash upon A dash E. Tan beta equal to A double dash B double dash upon A double dash E. Similarly, you can say tan beta equal to A dash B dash upon A dash E. Okay. Note it down. Now we have to find alpha. What is tan alpha? In triangle A dash B1E. You know, alpha is the angle subtended by object when object is placed at the location of image. So this is the object and you can replace this object at this position. A1 B dash. A double dash B1. A double dash B1. So A double dash B1. So in triangle B1 A double dash E. This is A dash, A double dash. In triangle A double dash B1E. Tan alpha equal to B1 A double dash upon A double dash E. Okay. Since angles are very small, alpha and beta are very small, as we discussed earlier, so you can write tan alpha as alpha, tan beta as beta. So what we will get? Tan beta equal to A dash B dash upon B dash, A dash E. Tan beta equal to A dash B dash upon A dash E. So you can write it as beta. Similarly, tan alpha equal to B1 A double dash E. You can write here B AB upon A double dash E. Because B1 A double dash equal to AB. Clear? So you can write here tan alpha is alpha. So alpha will be AB upon A double dash E. Beta equal to A dash B dash upon A dash E. Okay. So magnifying power beta upon alpha. Put the value of alpha and beta in this equation. What you will get? M equal to A dash B dash upon A dash E upon AB upon A double dash dividing. This is equation number 2, this is equation number 1. So dividing 2 by 1, dividing equation 2 by 1, we will get this equation. This is 3, you can say. Write it down. Okay. Now triangle ABO and OA dash B dash are similar triangle. ABO and OA dash B dash are similar triangle. Angle are same, opposite angle 90 degree. So this angle will be also same. This angle equal to this angle, this angle equal to this angle. So this angle will be this angle. Yes sir. Okay, isn't it? ABO and OA dash B dash are similar triangle. So you can write here AB A dash B dash upon AB equal to A dash O upon AO. Okay. A dash B dash upon AB equal to A dash O upon AO. This is the properties of the similar triangle. To put this value of equation 4 in equation 3, A dash B dash upon AB, A dash B dash upon AB. So here we get A dash B dash upon AB equal to A dash O upon A into A double dash E upon A dash E.
You have to attend the classes in the prescribed classroom of that particular section.
Write it down.
You will be allowed to attend the classes from a fixed place. You have to exchange the periods and the period marks.
Okay.
His friends are on to
Clear?
as to be sent
A dash O upon A. So right here M equal to A dash O. A dash O.
participating students.
A dash O is V naught upon AO. U naught into A double dash C. A double dash C is D. A dash C. A dash C is UE. You can apply sign convention also, as B naught is right side of objective lens, so it is taken as positive. Because in the direction of incident ray, you should take positive direction. and u naught is left side of the objective lens, so is taken as negative. D is left side of the eye lens, so minus D. U is left side of the eye lens, so minus UE. So you can write here minus B naught upon U naught D upon UE.
अच्छा वीडियो हो गया.
This is the most important formula for compound microscope. This is the general formula for magnifying power in compound microscope. You have to remember that. V naught is the position of object or position of image from objective. U naught is the position of image, position of object from objective. D is the least distance of distinct vision where image is formed, and U is the position of object from eye lens, and this object from eye lens is the image of objective. Okay, so first of all
क्लास स्टार्ट हो गया. 10:25 हो गया. 10 चिल्लाएंगे जब देखेंगे. चलो ठीक है. चलो कितना टाइम लगेगा? हाँ ठीक है.
note it down.
क्लासरूम में लेना है वो ना
हेलो, नोट कर लिया? दिस इज द मैग्नीफाइंग पावर. This is the general formula. This is the general formula of magnifying power. Okay. Now,
हेलो एक मिनट वेट करो बच्चे, सब वीडियो बनाएंगे. एक मिनट तो हमारे क्लास
write it down. Case 1. When final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, LDVV.
तब तक एक मिनट सोचो सर.
When final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter. That is at 25 centimeter. This is the case of maximum magnification, and this is the case of strain eye position. As I earlier discussed in simple microscope, strain eye, when final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, more magnifying image is formed, so your eye take strain. But when final image is formed at infinity, that position is called relaxed eye position. As you see the moon, your eye is relaxed. Okay. So case 1, applying lens formula in eyepiece. 1 by B minus 1 by U equal to 1 by U. So 1 by B, least distance minus B, minus U, UE minus 9. U is the position of object from eye lens, and focal length is positive. So you will get here 1 by D plus 1 by U E equal to 1 by F. So 1 by U E equal to 1 by F plus 1 by D. Multiply D in equation. So D by U E equal to D by F plus 1. So put this value in equation 4. You will get magnification at least distance of distinct vision.
होगा सर.
Okay. So today's class is over. So we'll discuss it next time. So thank you.